Oh. Oh my goodness. Packaging on that was insane. Oh, I left that manual in the back. It actually goes the other way. Very flimsy. One moment. I hope I didn't put them in backwards. Yep, that's what it was. I had it in backwards. But I'm not sure what what's in the, what is that? Yay! It's actually kind of squishy, like there's a piece of foam in there. And a turmeric shot, Worcestershire sauce, and some broccoli florets. Chocolate vanilla swirl jello, kombucha, more cheese, another turmeric shot, cooked lobster. Ooh, this one's very thin. Okay. Sausage patties, Morningstar Farms. Forgot about our little magnet. Oh, more jello. No. More kombucha. Mashed potatoes, fresh milk, and another soda. Our little magnet is a nice grocery list. Is this more broccoli? Yep, broccoli.